Switch the DC side on the PV side of the product to on. Switch the DC switch on the battery side of the product to on, and press the battery black start button to activate the battery. Finally, turn on the AC circuit breaker between the inverter power grid port and the power grid. Press the system button and the inverter starts running. The system status indicator is blue. When the inverter is running, set the following parameters. First, we set the country code. Select the option System Settings, then System Information, then Inverter Info. Scroll down until you see the country code and check if the country code is currently set to the correct code for your area. If not, simply correct the code and confirm. The country codes are 002 000 for the eastern states, 002 008 for Western Australia, 002 009 for Tasmania. Next, we set the battery number. Select the option System Settings, then Advanced Settings. Enter the password 0715. Select the option Battery Parameter, then Battery Number. Group 1 is for the batteries under the inverter, up to 3. Group 2 is for the additional batteries, up to 3. This installation is 15 kilowatt hours, so the battery number is 3. Finally, we enable the electricity meter. Select the option System Settings, then Advanced Settings. Enter the password 0715. Select the option Set Electricity Meter and enable. The PowerAll is now working. For help with further settings, including remote firmware updates, simply call our service team on 1300 176 327. Thanks for watching. To stay on top of our latest information, be sure to follow us on our social channels.
Now that was easy.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to always stay up to date with the latest videos from Sofar Australia.